Hi everyone, Ralph from Benchdogs, and I want to give you a bit more of an update on our MFT Tops. Since we've done these and we put them on our website, they've been very popular. People like the design, they like the fact that they're accurate with our products, and that's very important when you're wanting a top like this. So we've come up with some more designs, and we've also come up with a way where we can make custom tops. So our website allows you to be able to order a top now at 2.4 meters long by 1100 wide. And how do we do that? We divide it by 3. This way, this allows us to be able to package it up in the shipping, get it out to you no matter where you are. How we do this is with a jointing system. So you can see here, we've got some plates here. And we also use dominoes, and then the dominoes allow us to keep the boards from being inaccurate on level wise, so it's nice and flat no matter where you are. Also allows us to be accurate for when the boards go together, because these need to be right, these need to be perfect, and this way actually makes it right. So to keep it all square and to make sure that you are square, we've come up with this little gadget. Now this is just a 3D printed block, and we supply this with the tops free of charge. The only thing you have to supply yourself is the dogs and the thumb screws, which the kit's on the website for you to buy. The jig is free of charge in there. So how does it work? So as you can see here, if I'm wanting to put a plate in here, I put this jig in here, and then that allows me, when the join's here, to be able to tighten up these the screws that go on underneath, as well as keeping all the dominoes in together. So as you can see here, that's just on a 4-piece holes on its own, but as you can see here, this is on a joint, and as you can see, it's just as accurate as it was if it's not on a joint. So this is our way of getting it out there. So what is the point of having a board less size? Well, a lot of people want to make their own tops. An 1100 by 700 board for an MFT3 isn't quite big enough on some situations. So this way it allows it to be perfect for you no matter where you are. It could be in your workshop, it could be on a job site. So you can package up these 3 boards easily enough in your van and not have to worry about it. You just get to site. As you can see, I've got these on trestles with some extrusion going across. It's solid, it's perfect for the job site and easy enough to just take apart and put together simply here. So what I'm going to do here, all these little lines all line up here, in there, and once it's together, there you go. That now makes it all square. That allows you now to do up your bolts, make sure it's perfect. So there you go. There's our custom and large size MFT tops. They are available on our website. When you're doing an oversized top, just make sure you click on the jointing system, and it will all come as it is here. Thanks for watching.